and whenever you are seated. Toilets are located at each end of the cabin and they are fitted with smoke detectors. Smoking is not allowed on board at any time, including e-cigarettes, and do take care when opening overhead lockers in case anything falls out. When it's safe to do so, the cabin crew will pass through the cabin with their own flight service. As it's a short flight, we're combining our service into the one trolley today. So when we do pass through, it will be with all of our hot and cold food, sweet and savoury snacks, and hot, cold and alcoholic beverages. Alongside this, we have a duty-free range of spirits, cigarettes and tobacco, details of which you can find on pages 24 and 25 in your brochure. If you are interested in the brands and the prices, or any other information about any of the tobacco or cigarette products, then do ask the crew when they pass through shortly. Finally, we do have a range of fragrances for both ladies and gents, skincare, cosmetics, gift gadgets, watches and jewellery. The prices of which are tax-free and then further discounted by up to 30% on board today, so it's well worth a look through the range of products on offer. Payment can be made today by credit or debit cards, contactless and preferred method of payments. Apple, Android and Google Pay do also work on board.